Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming YouTube videos again. It's been such a long time. I have so many life updates, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. We are going to talk about this freaking adorable Hutch that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace. My partner ended up repainting it for me and I love it. So we're going to talk about where every single thing is from in this Hutch today. Instead of doing kind of like a one-on-one, like me showing you one single mug at a time, we are just going to go straight into each shelf and I'll be pointing to every single one so that it goes by a little bit faster. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. The engagement really helps, and also subscribing notifies you every single time I post a new video. Okay, so starting from the bottom, we have this cute little mug. So I got this off of eBay and I believe it's by Boston Warehouse. Here's the bottom of it. It's adorable. It has a lot of crazing on it because I don't know how old it is actually. It doesn't say a year. But anyway, yeah, I do not drink out of most of my mugs. A lot of you guys know that, but I would definitely not drink out of this because I think one time I had a mug that had crazing, and then for some reason when I put water in it, it like showed the water, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so this little guy is from the 99-cent store, which, by the way, I cannot believe all the 99-cent stores are closing. It makes me so sad because I love all of their affordable Halloween items. I believe this was either $2 or $3. It's so cute. And there's like a bigger version of it that I have. I don't know if that one was from the 99-cent store though, because I had thrifted mine. Anyway, so this mug is really adorable. I like this one. It's not really sitting in it properly, but it's by Killstar. It's so cute. And then this, oops, and then this little planter here is from Home Goods, and I got it last year. Adorable. And I don't think this is going to, oh, there we go. And then this mug right here, this is from Asda. It's in the UK, and I got it off of eBay. This mug right here is from Target last year, I think. And then this one, was this a paper store or paper stores? Paper store, there you go. And I got this in 2022, and they came out with a similar version, I think holding like a jack-o'-lantern. But anyway, oh, and these, I think these are originally from like Target. I'm not 100% sure. And then we have this haunted house that I got from Target. I don't think it showed, yeah, I don't remember what year I got it. Maybe last year, maybe the year before. And then we have this mug. I got this off of eBay. So cute. Here's the bottom of it because I don't, Lori Gates. This is adorable. I like it. It's like a little bit 3D, but not really. This mug, I forgot where this is from. Let's see. Oh, okay. My friend gave this to me, so that's why I don't remember. And then this one, this little haunted house I got from eBay, and it's from Target from like a few years ago. And then of course a little ghost picture from Target last year. This mug is from the Paper Source, I believe. Yep, Paper Source. And then this cutie is from Etsy. There's no branding on it, but there wasn't any like signifiers of a brand, but it's so cute. Here, if you want to do like a Google search, you just take a screenshot and upload this. And then this mug right here is one of my all-time favorites. This is by the brand Sakura Oneida, or a division of Oneida. Anyway, so cute. I got this off of eBay. I did see one sell on Mercari for about $100. This mug right here, so cute. This is by the brand Blessed by Lilith. So adorable. I think I got this last year, but I believe it's still available, and there's so many details on it. It's so cute. Again, I don't drink out of my mugs, so just keep that in mind as we're looking at them. Okay, so moving on to start on this side. So this my friend got for me from, I think, Kroger. It's a vase. It's really cute. I have two of them. Here's the brand. Actually, now that I'm looking at the tag, I don't know where she got it from, but she got me two of them. Adorable. And then this mug right here, and then this one is from Target Halloween 2011. You can find them on eBay and Mercari throughout the year, so definitely be checking like the resale websites. This one right here is from Beals last year. This is a store primarily on, I think, the East Coast, I believe. But yeah, this is so cute. Love that. And then we have this one from World Market. I got this in 2022, but they did re-release it in 2023, so last year. And then this, my partner just gave this to me as part of my birthday gift, which is in June, and I am so excited. This is from the Meijer store. I think is Meijer's like similar to Walmart, or is it similar to like Kroger? I'm not sure, but either way, this is so cute. Here's the bottom of it, just so you can see. It says candy bowl. It's adorable. I don't know, the face, like, this is how I feel inside most of the time. Okay, anyway, so this is from Disney. I believe this was 2018, and it does say Boo to You on the back, and it's so cute. And then this one is from Aldi. I got this online, so I don't remember what year it was from. And then this is from Joann's, and I got this last year, I think. Okay, we're almost done. We're moving to the top. This candy dish, this ghost one, really popular. This came out at Target in 2020, really hard to find. I got mine on Mercari in 2021. I was so excited for it, and it is damaged, as you can see, and I am okay with that. I haven't been able to find another one since. And then we have this really cute Boo Ghost mug. This is Ray Dunn. I got it last year. And then this mug is really cute. It's from a store called Pop Shelf, and it's not at, like, I don't think there's a Pop Shelf on the West Coast. It's like more on the East Coast, I think. Not 100% sure, but it's from that store. And then this one is from Ross. I love it. I did paint like the, well, Sharpied the letters inside. And then this is from Target. This sign is from Target also. This one, you'll have to do a Google image search on because it's like one of those vintage little candy party favor buckets. And then this little ghosty holding the bat is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think this was in 2021. And then this is a Target ghost mug from 2020. And then this ghost mug is from Williams-Sonoma last year, I believe. And then this cutie is from Kroger 2020. Oh, by the way, this plant right here is from Target 2021. I haven't seen them come out with something like that since then. But anyway, there isn't anything up here. There was, but it's not like a thick piece of wood. It kind of just feels like one of those things you put on the back. So very, very lightweight. Didn't feel safe at all, so I just removed everything from the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you're notified every single time I post. And I just wanted to go through this as quickly as I could because I have so many things that I want to do. And I will be updating all of you of what I've been doing, what I've been up to for these last few months. Actually, last year. Like, it's been a whole year since I've posted. I think the last time I did was the Joann's, like, walkthrough, but that's different now. Anyway, I am so excited to be back, and make sure you subscribe and keep along with all the Halloween content coming.